Hi guys, I am back with another Fmge question. So let's begin. Which of the following is a autosomal recessive disease? Option A, cystic fibrosis. Option B, Huntington's disease. Option C, achondroplasia. And option D, Turner syndrome. So try to answer this question. What is autosomal recessive disease? So assume that the child is carrier, like he has one allele which is normal and one allele which is defective. Okay. And autism, why this is called autism? Because there is a problem in the autism are the 44. There are total 44 autisms, which means there are 22 pairs of autisms. Okay. So there is a mutation in the autism. So that's why we call it autosomal. Okay. Now why do we call it recessive? Because in this case, mom and dad both need to be carriers. Like they don't have the condition, but they have the potential to give the disorder to the children. Okay. So as you can see in this diagram, one sec. Okay. So dad is a carrier. Okay, and mom is also a carrier. Okay. There is no condition, but they have potential to give the disease. Okay. So as you can see, the first child, this child doesn't have any condition and is not also a carrier. Okay. Now these two children, they also don't have condition, but they are carriers. See this X allele, uh, which is mutated. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, so this makes the children carriers. Okay, and now talking about this children, this fourth child has a condition. Okay, because both the genes, both the autosomal genes, which are defective, which are mutated, they are transferred to this child. Okay, so this child has a disease. So you get a ratio of 3 is to raised to 1. Okay. Now the disorders which are transferred from father and mother to the offspring via this autosomal recessive pattern are the cystic fibrosis, phenylketonuria, Tay Sachs disorder, and sickle cell anemia. Okay, remember this thing. Now, autosomal dominant. So, what do we mean by the autosomal dominant inheritance pattern? So, in this case, only presence of one allele is sufficient to see the disorder. Okay, only one allele is sufficient to to see the disorder. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, the dad has a condition because he has one allele which is mutated. Okay, and mom is normal, mother is normal. Okay. So, first two children, they don't have a connection, and neither they are the carriers. Oh, sorry. In the autosomal dominant, there is not a thing called a carrier. Okay, either you have a disease or you don't have a disease. There is no carrier like a thing in the autosomal dominant disorder. Okay, so okay, so so this leads to the conclusion that the uh, that the children who have a condition and the children who have a condition and the children who don't have condition, the ratio is 1 1 is to 1. Okay. Now, examples of this disease are the Huntington's disease, neurofibromatosis type 1, Marfan syndrome, polycystic kidney disease, hereditary spherocytosis, hereditary angioedema, familial hypercholesterolemia, achondroplasia. Okay. So what will be our answer? Which of the following is the autosomal recessive? It is a cystic fibrosis. Okay. So tell me, what are the other disorders of the autosomal recessive pattern? So cystic fibrosis, first is CF, then tell me anemia, right? Anemia, anemia, then especially the sickle cell anemia. Okay. Then what do we have? Then phenylketonuria, PKU, PKU, okay, and Huntington disease is a autosomal dominant, and achondroplasia also the autosomal dominant disorder. Okay. Now coming to the Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, it is a completely different disorder. It is a disorder which is caused by the absence of a X chromosome in the female. So it leads to the karyotype of a 45 45 and X X 0. Okay. So it means that she has 44 autosomes. She has 44 autosomes and only one X chromosome. Okay. Only one plus X 0 chromosome. Actually, the thing is that all females have 44 plus XX chromosome, but in this condition, she has only 44 plus X chromosome. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys.